That's how you knock down the ground mount real quick.
That's pretty much it.
That's a quick rinse. Oh, we gotta go, Chris?
Yeah, we gotta go.
Oh, no.
Oh, no. See ya. Hey, Mike, do you see what's out here?
I'm not sure.
It's the filter.
Well, I don't know why you left it out there.
Well, Mike, you left it on the side. What the heck? No, I don't think so. It should be all good. Okay. We'll bring him back if he's stowed away.
Oh, our cat is in hiding. I'm sure nobody's seen her cat in quite a while.
Nobody, Mike.
You'll get that yeet yeet. Yeets. 2 yeets. And skeet. Done.
Toilet paper and paper towels.
That's extreme.
We have been stocked up. We have toilet paper from so many. Right now in my bathroom I have like maybe 40 something rolls.
Wow.
All right, pro cleaners, let's get started with these solar panel cleaning tips. First one is the before and after work photos. Take 2 away and 2 up front. Make sure you get those before and after photos because it shows the work that you've done. You're also creating content for your blog. The next one is find a good water source. When you get to your residence, check all the different water sources, the water spigots, to make sure you find one that has the most power. It's going to be the most efficient for you. Water flow versus pressure. Pressure is really not the most important thing. In fact, 40 psi is what the manufacturers recommend. You want to make sure that you have good water flow with your hoses. Moving along, clean those solar panels from the outside going in. You clean those frames and then go on the inside of the frames. You're going to find yourself getting them done quicker and more efficient. Use quick connects for your hoses to speed things along. You don't want to be out there tightening things and untightening things and doing this over and over. Save yourself some time with some quick connects. And while you're at it, get yourself some electric cord reels for your water-fed pole tubing. This is a great way to stay organized with your water-fed pole. All right, what do we got here? This is the hookup. We got Tech 7 at the end, which goes into a splitter and another splitter. Splitter 1 right here for the gun. And we break off with 2 hoses. Quick connects. You can get these at Home Depot. They're very, very cheap and super, super clean. Gotta work. So the main thing about these right here is the splitters is we turn them off here, which really helps. Then we disconnect. Oops. I thought I disconnect. Nope, I didn't. No, I never do that. I never turn that off because pretty much I'm smart. All right, well, you guys saw that. I also put a Sure Shot at the end here. Have to get and turn the water on. There we go. Watch more videos just like this one. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and you hit that like button, comment, and also hit that notification bell so that you can get a notification every time we drop a new video, which is weekly.
It's all about agitation.
That's all it is the agitations.
And you can feel it. Right where? Right there's the end, huh?
Right, yeah, right on it.
Because I can feel it.
You let the brush talk to you.
That's right. You let the brush talk to you, so you can hear it. Let's get down. Let's get down and hear the solar panels. Hear them. You hear the solar panel?
They talk to you.
I heard that. You know what it's saying, Mike?
Saying it's almost done.
It's saying power up. That's very true. That's what's up. All right.
Well, guys, that's how you knock down a ground mount real quick.
That's pretty much it.
Quick rinse.
Yeah, we got to go. For those that are going to ask, what have I used for the water pressure here? Nothing. This is actually just the pressure from the spigot at the homeowner's house. So you don't always need a pump, but it is needed at some houses because the power is so low. So it's good to have it on hand. But I got to be truthful. Mike, how often do we break out the pump?
Very rarely.
Very rarely.
Very rare.
Yeah, that's
It
not
has to be extremely low pressure.
extremely low
Well,
pressure.
you don't need a lot of pressure to clean, but you do need flow.
Yeah.
It's not about the PSI, it's about the flow of the water.
Right, right. That's a very good point. It's about the flow of the water and not the PSI. I mean, you really don't need a whole lot of pressure. Need a
What's
whole
the
lot of
max
water.
PSI supposed to be rated at?
40 PSI.
I didn't want to say something incorrect, so let's stop.
No, that actually is Mike's right on point. That's what's up. Hey, that is the rinse. We're done. We're done with that one. This job is a wrap. All finished. All right, guys. Solar panel cleaning friends. Solar panel cleaning expert. Mike, who are you? You need a page. Mike, that guy. Mike, that guy. You should. That is. And Mike, that guy. Enter the promo code Solar Panel Cleaning Friends, all one word together, for 10% off of your next online Tucker purchases.